zucchini or are looking for a healthy recipe, I have just the treat for you. So all you need are the following ingredients to make moist yet delicious zucchini bread. To start, you just need to grate 1 cup of zucchini. It should look like this once you have it all grated up. Now mind you, you will need to measure this and squeeze out all of the juice. So your 1 cup of zucchini is going to be a packed 1 cup that is going to be as dry as you can possibly get it. As you keep squeezing, more water will continue to come out of the zucchini. So just continue to squeeze it as much as you can until you get a good majority of the water out. You don't want it exactly dry, so to speak. You just want it pretty dry where not a lot of juice is continuing to come out. So it does take a moment or two, so just be patient. Then it is time to go ahead and start with our wet ingredients. So here you will go ahead and get a large pot. And to your large pot, you want to go ahead and add in your eggs. This recipe calls for 3 eggs. So to your 3 eggs, you are going to add in 2 cups of granulated sugar. Now it is time to add in your vegetable oil. You just need to add 1 cup of vegetable oil to the pot. Then it is time to blend all of these ingredients together. Once you get a good mixture like this, it's time to add in the dry ingredients. Here we are going to add the flour first, making sure to sift it prior to adding it into the wet ingredients. Once your 1 cup of flour is sifted, go ahead and mix it. Once you have a good blend, it is time to add in your drained zucchini. Here we're adding 1 cup of zucchini to the pot, and then once again we will blend. Then it is simply just repeating the process, adding another cup of flour, another cup of zucchini, and continuing until you have equal proportions. So 3 cups of flour to 3 cups of zucchini. Once all the main ingredients are added, it is time to add some spices. I like to add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla and then a couple of teaspoons to half teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and allspice, but it's completely up to you how much you want to add. You can even make it your own and add other spices, nuts, chocolate chips, etc. The possibilities are endless. So, as I have done here, I have made 1 pan without anything but seasoning and spices, then another pan with nuts. And this recipe will make 2 loaves, or you can make cupcakes. Like I say, the possibilities are endless. And as you can see, I filled them pretty full, almost to the top of the pan. And it will not be a thick base, it'll be a little runny. So just be careful as you're putting it in your oven. So this needs to cook in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 35 minutes. It is really going to depend on your oven. I always like to start it out a little bit hot and lower the temperature down to 350, checking it periodically with a toothpick for doneness. But after the time has passed, it is nice golden brown like you see here. The toothpick comes out clean. These loaves are ready to enjoy. And I do like to wrap them in tinfoil just for a little bit so that they have a chance to sweat and become a little more soft and tender. But look at that beautiful loaf. It is just waiting to be enjoyed. You can enjoy this with Cool Whip, ice cream, chocolate sauce, or even by itself. No matter how you choose to eat this, it will be delicious and something that you and your family will enjoy.